am so bored.
Alright, now this is how to dance like John Good. Now, the main thing you have to be able to do is be fat. And you have to get down like this. So your pants are up. You have to squat down. Now you gotta raise your hands up in the air. Then you gotta swing like you just don't care. Then you gotta walk like a retard while swinging your arms like this. That's how you dance like John Good.
Eaten by sharks while snorkeling. Stabbed to death in a Toys R Us bathroom. 1940s
Random cut. I have no idea where that came from.
Heart attack and have slipped into a coma. Here we go. In that case, I leave control
That's
of my
weird.
company, Pewterschmidt Industries.
This is my cat. He says meow when the time comes. Say meow. Say meow. Caesar. He's a douchebag. Yeah, that didn't work out so well.